Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Hafsa from Maths Online Coaching. Today we are going to solve a question paper of Pearson Edexcel International A-Level Mathematics. Pure Mathematics 1, January 2026 with paper code WMA1101. Question number 5. Figure 2 shows the logo for the terraced board of an island. The logo consists of a sector BODCD of a circle with center at O joined to a triangle AOD. The given data is ABO is a straight line. See in the figure, ABO is a straight line. OD is 3 centimeters. This is OD, 3 centimeters. AD is equal to 8 centimeters. AD is there, 8 centimeters. And the angle AOD is 2.5 radians. AOD, this angle is 2.5 radians. Part A, show that the angle ODA is 0.415 radians with 3 significant figures. Angle ODA is to be determined, this angle. To find out this angle, we can use the law of sines in this triangle AOD. Now look at the triangle AOD. This is an oblique triangle which is not a right triangle. So we can use rule of sines here. To apply the rule of sines, we need two sides and their opposite angles. So we use the two given sides, 3 centimeters and 8 centimeters. By rule of sine, the side AD by sine of the angle opposite to AD, which is AOD. Angle AOD. This is equal to the side OD by sine of the angle opposite to OD, which is the angle A. Or using the values in the formula, 8 centimeter by sine 2.5 is equal to 3 centimeters by sine of the angle A. It gives sine A is equal to 3 multiply sine 2.5 divided by 8. And it gives A is equal to sine inverse 3 multiply sine 2.5 divided by 8. Now put it into the calculator and take the inverse of sine. But make sure your calculator must be in radians as the value of this angle is given in radians. So by calculating it, we get A is equal to 0.2264 radians. Now this is the value of the angle A. This angle, 0.264. We want to calculate the angle ODA. And we know that in a triangle, the sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degrees, and in radians, it is equal to pi. So applying this property, we can calculate the angle ODA. Angle ODA is equal to pi minus 2.5 radians minus 0.2264 radians. And this is equal to 0.415 radians, which is the angle up to 3 significant figures. And this is the required angle in part A. Now look at part B. Find the total area of the logo in square centimeters to 1 decimal place. Here we have to calculate the total area of the logo. Now, if we see the figure, it consists of the two parts. One is the sector and the other is the triangle. So we have to calculate the area of sector and the area of triangle to get the total area. To calculate the area of the sector, we have the formula 1 by 2 r square theta, where theta is the angle and r is the radius. Now for this sector BCDOB, we have the angle, this one. And this angle is 2 pi minus 2.5 radians. As this one is 2.5 and the total angle is 2 pi, so subtracted from 2 pi. So this is the angle for the sector. And radius is given 3 centimeters. So we have to use these values to calculate the area of the sector. And the area of triangle can be calculated by the formula, which is 1 by 2 AB sine C, where C is the included angle, the angle between A and B. So we have to take the two sides and the included angle to get the area of triangle. Here two sides, 3 centimeter and 8 centimeter are given, and the included angle is this angle which we have calculated in part A, and its value is 0.415. 0.415. So to calculate the area of the triangle, we have to use the sides 3 centimeter and 8 centimeter and the included angle 0.415. And then we add these two values to get the total area of the logo. Now we solve it. Area of logo is equal to area of triangle AOD plus area of sector BODCB. Now using the values in the formula, area of the triangle is 1 by 2, the two sides 3 and 8, sine of the angle between these two sides, which is 0.415, plus area of sector 1 by 2 square of radius, which is 3, and the angle is 2 pi minus 2.5 radians. This is equal to 4.838 square centimeter plus 17.024 square centimeter. Again, you have to make sure that your calculator must be in radians to calculate this value because the angle is given in radian. Now, this sum is equal to 4.8. Now, this sum is equal to 21.9 square centimeter up to 1 decimal place. This is the total area of the logo. Now, part C, find the perimeter of the logo ABCDA in centimeters to 1 decimal place. Perimeter means the length of the boundary. So we have to calculate the length of boundary of the logo. See in the figure, the boundary consists of 3 parts. One is the side AD, which is 8 centimeter. Next is the boundary of this sector, DCB. And the third one is the side AB. So we have to do it in 3 parts. The value of AD is given 8 centimeter. And the boundary of this sector can be calculated by the formula S is equal to R theta, the formula for arc length. Here R is the radius, which is 3 centimeters. And theta is the angle 2 pi minus 2.5 radians. Next is the side AB. To calculate AB, first we have to find AO in the triangle. And then we have to take OB by subtracting BO from AO. AB is equal to AO minus BO. So to find AB, first we have to calculate the side of the triangle AO. Again, we use the rule of sine to get this side. Now let us start the calculations. Perimeter of logo is equal to AD plus arc length DCB plus AB. Now AD is 8 centimeters. Arc DCB can be calculated by formula R theta. R is 3 centimeters and theta is 2 pi minus 2.5 radians. This is equal to 11.35 centimeters. Next is AB. To calculate AB, first we have to find OA. By using rule of sines in the triangle, we have AO, the side, and sine of the opposite angle ODA. is equal to the side AD by sine of the opposite angle AOD. Now using the values AO by sine 0.415 is equal to 8 by sine 2.5 radians. This is AO is equal to 8 by sine 2.5 multiply sine 0.415 radians. And it gives the value of AO, which is 5.39 centimeters. Now AB is equal to AO minus BO. This is 5.39 centimeters minus the value of BO is 3 centimeter, which is the radius of the sector. This is equal to 2.39 centimeters. Now we have all three values which we have to put in the perimeter. Number one is this, and the second one is area of, arc length. Number 2, and the third one is the length of AB. Number 3. Using all these values in this equation, we have the perimeter is equal to 8 centimeters plus 11.35 centimeters plus 2.39 centimeters. And this is equal to 21.7 centimeters, which is the perimeter of the logo. And it completes the question.